In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or update photos on your Zillow listing. 2026 Guide. Keeping your listing's photo gallery current is one of the fastest ways to improve how buyers and renters perceive your property online. Whether you've completed a renovation or just want to clean up outdated images, Zillow's owner dashboard makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by heading to Zillow.com on a desktop browser and sign in to the account that's linked to your property. Using a desktop gives you the clearest view of the tools you'll need. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it and select your home from the drop-down. This page lists every property connected to your account so you can quickly find the right one. Next, click into the specific home you want to edit. On the property page, locate the Edit or Manage option. This opens the management view where you can adjust listing details and media. Keep in mind this area won't let you change the physical address. It's focused on content like photos and description. Now scroll down until you see the Photos section. To remove an outdated image, click directly on the photo you no longer want displayed. Choose Delete. And when Zillow asks you to confirm, double-check you've selected the right image before finalizing. If you're uncertain, consider saving a copy to your computer first so you have a backup. This same photo section is where you can upload fresh images. Aim for bright, high-quality shots taken in natural light and use landscape orientation when possible for the best on-page presentation. Keep file sizes reasonable so uploads are fast and the gallery loads smoothly for viewers. If you've recently remodeled, prioritize new photos that clearly showcase those updates so the gallery tells a coherent visual story. When your edits look good, make sure you save. You'll find a Save button either at the bottom of the page or in the top right corner. This is critical. Your changes won't publish until you click Save. After saving, the owner dashboard typically reflects updates quickly, but it can take a short period for the public listing and search results to catch up. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a little time and then refresh your browser. That's it. A clean, updated gallery helps your home stand out, sets the right expectations, and keeps your listing competitive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.